Hi guys, today I am doing a shoot for Sierra for her birthday, and we decided that we were going to shoot outside, and well, look at how cool that looks though.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look so nice.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna back up and take a picture of you. Okay. This is this crazy girl. This is what we're doing out here in this. Okay. Oh yeah. It's like cold and really snowy, but this was not my suggestion. It was her suggestion. She wanted to be naked on a white blanket in the snow, so who am I to say no to that? So let's take a look.